On Draw Stuff Real Easy today, I'm going to show you how to draw a pig, but let's not talk about it. Let's do it. You're going to need a pencil and a pen and an eraser. And we'll start with the pencil and we're going to mark out roughly what we're trying to do here. So I'm going to draw a square and a little kind of bit down below and a little bit kind of like that. And this is kind of helping me to work out roughly where everything's going to go. So there's a square and then this kind of curve, and then it's going to be, the piggy's going to be looking over the side of a wall, and so that's going to be there. And then we're going to want these massive ears because it's really a piglet really, isn't it? Let's start off at the top of the square, not quite, a little curve and not quite going right to the corners, and then that's going to come out and just round that little bit, kind of like a little sort of lobe at the end really, and that's going to come out and around a little bit, and we want these to kind of pretty much look identical. And then here, that's going to be going up there, that's going to be going up there like that. Now I think we need to put in the snout, which is going to be roughly about there, at the bottom of the original square, and we want it to be quite sort of triangular, so it's like a circle that's been squashed a bit, and we're going to put the nostrils in there like that, and then these lines can come down, and that wants to come sort of down below, and then so the square is getting slightly wider at the bottom down there, and we're going to put a little curve in there, and that's the bottom lip, and let's have a little kind of smile coming out of there. It's a bit weird, isn't it? And then the eyes are going to be ovals like that, and we want the eyeballs inside, which I'm doing as kind of little, they're sort of Pac-Man shape, aren't they? And they've got that one's like a letter C. They're kind of like a chunky letter C or a Pac-Man shape. And let's give them a little bit of expression as well, why not? And then here we're going to want to have kind of the chest. It's going to be leaning over the wall or the fence, and then we're going to want to have trotters. So we're going to have these funny little kind of spurs that pigs have on their trotters. I think they're kind of toes or nails actually, but so you've just got the kind of two toes making the trotters there, and we've got the same thing coming on down here, so it's probably kind of like those are the two trotters I think, and then these are the little spurs at the back, the other fingers are like the spurs at the back, and we want this to kind of be fairly similar like that, and these are going to come up to there and maybe up there like that, and then we can put this kind of wall in across there, and let's have a little bit of the body on one side, and maybe we could have a little hint of the tail in there like that. When you are sure the ink is dry, then you can erase all those pencil lines because you didn't press too hard, did you? Good. And I'm going to put some shading in here. I'm going to come up there like that, and I'm going to put some shading in here too. We're going to need a little bit of shading behind there and a bit of shading underneath the chin. I think that's the chin. We can maybe put some in there too, and I think these trotters need some shading to give them, it's kind of a difference in texture, them being kind of more like nails and hooves kind of thing really, aren't they? And then we're going to want some shading underneath them as well, so let's put that under there, and then that will go there. Next week is Chinese New Year, which is why I'm doing this, because it's going to be the year of the pig. So happy Chinese New Year to you if you're watching. There you go, how to draw a pig. Click that button down there and make sure that you are subscribed to Draw Stuff Real Easy. Keep coming back for lots more drawing videos every week. In the meantime, keep drawing, practice, and I'll see you next time. You take care now. Bye bye.